Dear God, what is that talking over there? Thomas, can you stop talking to yourself? I mean, it's been a while and you're still doing that bullshit. Can you stop? Holy shit.
Well, as we can see here, the little lady dancing smart wheel.
Okay, no, we're not going to do that again. Well, my, Timothy, it's been a while. Have you been? Why did you want to come here? Well, I just wanted to see how my fine brothers were doing on Soto. I mean, yeah, we're doing good, but, well, I really have to deal with this son of a bitch right here. Hey, yo, what the fuck did you just call me? Well, my, Timothy, it's been a while since we met again. My God, it is, Edward. It's been a while since we met, so it's been a long time. Wait a minute, how did you guys met in the first place? Well, you see, it's been. Wait a minute, how did we first met? Whoa, what's going on? We were just doing fine in here. Matt, how did Edward and I first met? I mean, it's in Creepy Cracks is the script. Wait, now that you mention it, let me go get it real quick. I'll be right there. Where is it? Where is it? I can't follow. I'm exhausted. Keep finding this bullshit now. Where the hell is it? Where is it? Where is it? Wait. I fell down the stairs. God damn. Oh, my ass. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? I can't find it. The script. Oh my God, I'm so irresponsible. I can't find the script. Oh wait, I'm coming. I'm coming. So wait a minute. I found the script. Let me see. Okay, so it says here that wait. Wait a minute. This is. I'm a dumbass. Wait, so. Oh wait, you're right. It doesn't say it here. So you know what? You guys are going to finish it. I'm too tired of this. And goodbye. I'm going to make a sandwich. Um, well, I'm starved. Who wants some jambalaya?